So I promised myself yesterday that I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna work out and I'm gonna take control of my life again. Well, it's around 3:40 p.m. the next day, and I still haven't gone to the gym, still haven't gone out, and yeah, done nothing much today. Just edit and everything else. But I did some videos and shorts. That should give me a leeway, yeah? But anyway, we'll see how this day goes. And I doubt if I'm gonna have any more videos for today. I just made one short video, a bit of editing, and a lot of YouTube. So we'll see. Seriously, we're gonna see. I reckon my angle earlier was a bit facing up. I need to have it facing down. That way it won't get much of the ceiling. But I'm too lazy to repeat what I said. Let it be. Hello. Again. I'm so lazy to do a lot of things today. A lot of things to do. But I'm lazy. What are you doing today? What are you up to? Anything? Did you do what you need to do? What was that? Did you do what you need to do? Did you do the things that you need to do? I don't know how to say it. Yeah, I still have a lot of things to do. Just taking a break. A bit of break. Yeah. This is all you're gonna get for today's vlog. Just me procrastinating a bit. Squeezing any time that I can to face this camera and look at myself and be vain. Not really. Okay, this is cringe. This is so cringe. I'm gonna cringe on this in 2 days. It doesn't take that long to cringe on your own video. I should stop this for now. So as you can see, I'm still procrastinating right now. I'm trying my best to finish a job and I'm stuck somewhere. I don't know where. Either way, I end up trying to fix my light, try to put up my softbox and everything, and this is what I came up with. I don't want my light to be spilling over there, but I can see a spill. I don't want my light spilling here, and you'll see my cranberry juice up here. Or is it? Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to figure out my light, because I'm gonna have this stay here. I doubt that. My hand's shaking. I'm gonna put this on a tripod now. So, yeah, I'm still struggling to finish what I'm doing. But the thing is, I'm diverting my attention to YouTube and everything else. So I shouldn't be doing that. I shouldn't be talking to you right now because I should be working. Okay, let's go back to work. I'm starting to think I'm going crazy right now. I'm talking to a camera, pretending that they're my viewers. It's just a camera in front of me. I think I'm going crazy.